change of plans. I'm like, okay, I'm gonna unbox this. Like, not here. Oh, okay, whatever. Okay, let's go sit somewhere. Let's sit on my bed. If I had Jolly Ranchers, that's so fun. So, I guess it really doesn't matter if you know the name. I'm gonna ask my mom where it was. Yeah, it's not really, it's like in a really or something, so yeah, I got it. It says, what's it say? Triple barrel Wavering. So cute. It's all hairy, I'm sorry, my dog is just so gross. Ew, it's so gross. Yeah, it's really gross. And then right here, it has, yeah, 25 heat setting. It has like that thing, and then there's the actual thing. It's 16 millimeters. Yeah, I can't wait to open it. Let's get started.